Are you having problems with your desktop software not locating the Libobjc DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist. I've diagnosed the pathing error, and I'm going to show you how to restore the file. To kick off the manual repair for Libobjc, you can also find an official toolkit designed for system-level synchronization. This is the Libobjc, the Objective-C Runtime library. It provides the unmanaged messaging system and dynamic type allocation required for Objective-C applications. It facilitates the data link between code objects and the system runtime manifest. Now that the background is clear, let's walk through the actual installation steps. This issue is commonly caused by your desktop software having a broken or truncated installation. Reinstall the latest official version of your desktop software from the official website to ensure Libobjc DLL and all related files are correctly replaced. Persistence of this error after a clean reinstall suggests that the issue may reside within the current user session's initialization. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with Libobjc. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. If you're still seeing the same problem post-restart, let's escalate our troubleshooting to the next tier. Feel free to pause the video if the next steps come at you too fast. Rebooting didn't reconnect the runtime links, so let's go into the control panel and refresh the library files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. As we finalize the restoration, it's important to observe standard security protocols regarding system files. Do not compromise your computer's health by sourcing Libobjc DLL from random internet mirrors, which often harbor hidden tracking scripts designed to bypass standard antivirus protocols. To ensure your system remains within verified parameters, you might choose to use an authorized maintenance path for ongoing support. To support a stable Windows environment, the suggested maintenance tool below includes Libobjc library guidance. If your workstation is back online and Libobjc is running smoothly, please consider subscribing. It's the best way to support our mission of providing safe, reliable solutions.